Hi, Mr. Bodell here, Bodell's Comfort Footwear. And now we're entering the fall season, which the temperatures are supposed to decline a little bit and get a little cooler in the fall and winter season. And we're getting some new slippers in, and we're going to today discuss about Haflinger slippers. They are a German company. They're made in Germany and in Poland. And what's nice about this particular slipper, if you notice here, this is a cork midsole. See the lift in the arch right here? So let's say if you have plantar fasciitis, or you may have a neuroma. Neuroma gives you good lift in the forefoot, so it takes the weight and the pressure off those toes where you get the neuroma between the second or the third toe. In addition to that, if you have plantar fasciitis, for example, this is going to take the weight off the heel and transfer it to the arch. Excellent footbed. I would say, in my opinion, of course, that the support for this slipper in a slipper category is the best on the market, to be honest with you. In addition to that, this cork, as you wear it, will mold and shape the footbed to match your foot. We have 4 colors in this. These are unisex, and they come in European sizing. Okay, so for example, they go from 36 all the way up to size 46. That's a 5, 5.5 in women's, all the way up to a men's 13. So we do have sizes in these. Again, it's 100% natural boiled wool. Keeps you warm in the winter, cool in the spring and summer. So we have these 2 colors, and you have a nice little ribbing design on the charcoal black and in the brown. So these are the colors here. Again, indoor-outdoor sole. You can sometimes my wife gets mad at me, but I wouldn't mind if I have to run down to the store or something like that, to the market or whatever, because they're very comfortable. But she wants me to keep these strictly indoors, but unfortunately sometimes when she turns her back, I will do things that she doesn't want me to do. But they're very comfortable, and I would tell you that they're extremely supportive. You might give these a try. The Haflinger slippers, German company, made in Germany and in Poland. And thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. Mr. Bodell, Bodell's Comfort Footwear.